Hello, Pioneers.
On today's agenda, we'll be going over
Student interviews. Guess what's in the box?
Jace with our community show.
And how to ugly Christmas sweater. My name is Nick.
And my name is Quinn.
And welcome to your Pioneer Report.
My name is Michael.
And I'm Jaden.
And this is Student Life. We're going to be doing what's inside the box. Christmas edition. You get that? Christmas edition. We got Elf on the Shelf and Santa Claus. There we go.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's wet. Okay, this feels like someone's failed slime experiment, but it also feels like pie filling.
It's edible.
Does it have to do something with the dessert?
That's a hard question. That's like a yes and no.
Okay, I'm just gonna say pie filling because that's the only thing that comes to mind.
No.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. How did I not get that?
Is it edible? Like, can I eat it?
I mean, technically, yes.
My second question is, like, would I find this in a pantry?
Yes.
That could be anything. Is it baking soda? That's my final answer.
No. Smell your hand.
It's cinnamon, watch. Oh, I knew it.
What is it?
Cinnamon.
No.
No?
Smell it.
Oh, it's coffee grounds.
Stop. What is it? Brian, stay off.
Oh my gosh, no.
What is it?
Is it a chicken? Is it a real chicken? Can I look? Stop. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Sorry.
Is it right here? Can you hang it on your door?
Technically, yes.
It's like a tie, like a bow tie.
So a tie.
Yeah, it's a tie. It's a tie. I was right.
Ugh, what is that?
Is it something related to a condiment?
Yes.
Why does it feel like that? Is it red? It was ketchup and it was peanut. My hands are sticky.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, it's jelly. So what do I do with my hands now?
Okay.
It's alive, huh? Does it have feathers? It's a rooster. No. Yeah. It's a chicken.
Oh, I'm scared. Is that sugar or salt? Wait, what does that smell like? Hold on. Wait,
What is it?
it's that coffee stuff. It's for coffee. I don't know the name of it. I just know I don't drink coffee, but I know it's coffee stuff because my grandma drinks it. Ew.
Coffee ground.
Oh my gosh. Is it alive?
Yes, it's alive.
It's alive. I think it's like a rooster, a chicken, a bird. It's a big bird. I feel wings. Is it?
You guys. Bean stewardess. Look how beautiful. Everybody's on this. Look at her. She's really pretty.
Aw, it is pretty. From Brown's class? Oh, I think I helped raise it when I was a baby.
What the whoa? Feels like Jello. Is it Jello? It's not Jello. What the whoa?
I'm not supposed to be in the shot?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just mush it like a baby.
Do I need to take my sweater off?
No. Squish it.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess it's an egg. Can I look now?
Wait, where did you get that?
That actually smells good. What do I do with this?
What do you think it is?
Oh, it's alive, isn't it? Is it alive?
Yeah.
It is barnyard fowl. Is it a male?
No.
I vote for chicken.
You got it.
Who brought a chicken? What's up?
Eat the chicken. Now you gotta eat the chicken.
Oh, that doesn't feel good. It's does it bounce? So no. I have no idea. A pine cone?
Yeah.
It's a pine cone? Oh, dang, I'm smart. Is it over?
Yeah. Alright, thank you for playing that.
Oh.
Wow, they're really good at guessing.
Christmas is cool, but have you heard about Hanukkah?
Yes, don't they play spin the dreidel?
Let's go to our community show to see what it's all about.
Hanukkah. we all love Christmas, but do we really celebrate Hanukkah here? No. So we're gonna do so. Today we're gonna be playing Spin the Dreidel. I'm your host, Jace Felix. Welcome to your community show. I'm here joined by Lestat, Natalie, and Gabe. And I lied to them. I said we were doing a mafia night, but really, I just wanted to draw a mustache on Natalie. And it worked. Rules are simple. You spin the top, and you got your options. For pawn 1 and pawn 2, you put in 1 or 2. You take 1 or take 2. Everyone puts 1 in. And for Tomotoro, you take the whole pot, which is good. You want to take the whole pot. Everyone take some candy. I want birthday cake.
I put 2 in, right?
You put in 2.
Okay.
Put in 2.
I'm broke, man. Aren't we all?
All right, now.
Okay.
I'm gonna make this as.
Come on. Do I get it all?
Yeah.
What? Very intense.
Honey, you have to put in each one of your little mustaches in.
All right.
Come on. The whole thing.
We don't even
Put in
like
2.
spins.
Hold. Yeah. All right.
You did an actual one.
With one hand.
I know. I'm taking it seriously.
This isn't fair.
Scoop.
I've only given.
Isn't that?
Put in 1.
Oh my god.
Pawn 1.
Fun one.
Look at the camera.
Just a little bit of fun.
Well, who are your fans? Give him the mic.
I want to
Wait,
thank
that's spinning.
my dad and Miss Perez, because Miss Perez is like a mother to me. She's awesome. I also want to thank Jace for teaching me the rules of how to play this game and losing horribly.
Oh, bonkers, that looks so fun.
Let's move on to our how-to show.
How to make an ugly Christmas sweater.
Hi, this is your how-to segment, and this is Ms. Prez. Today, I'm hacking over the show, and what I'm asking for my video class, which is right behind the camera, is you're gonna make me an ugly Christmas sweater. There's only 2 rules, well 3. First rule is I wanted to incorporate the word video in here somehow, and 2, I want flowers. Rule 3 is contribute. Each of you contribute 1 piece to the sweater.
Exactly what are you guys doing?
We're making the video sign.
Yeah, we're making the Take a look at the 5 and 10.
All right, she wants flowers. Damn.
Efrain, don't play.
Put a flower on the other shoulder. I'll make it ugly, cute. And I put glue everywhere.
No, Efrain, she's gonna be wearing this. Bro, let's get it on your hand. It shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben.
I did not do this.
Is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for the start again. A lot like Christmas.
You messed it up.
It was already messed.
Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind.
Let's start throwing everything. Let's start throwing everything on here. Make it as ugly as possible.
A lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your
I'm drawing a design with the glue. Yeah, I'm pretty smart, so.
Are you sure about that? Anyways, Mario, what are you doing? Mario, what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just randomly doing stuff.
Aiden, what are you doing when you're not supposed to be in the class?
I'm letting the voices do what they want.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, my bad.
to look a lot like Christmas. Poison every
Where for like a minute?
Supposed to be the tallest.
I don't know what to make.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that
Do you have a therapist?
I wish.
Anyways.
on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once
Those turned out great.
Thank you guys for tuning in.
Students, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos.
And make sure to follow us at our Instagram.
Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report.
Now you gotta say, oh, bonkers.
Oh, bonkers!
No, you're supposed to
Stop!
Say, improvise.
No.
Guys, can you, like, please? Thank you.
I win. I'm the winner.